Hello everyone. Can you feel that the energies these days are really intense? And I expect them to get even stronger. These energies are really electrical. In my meditation, I got the image of a lightning conductor, like we are to be or to become these lightning rods that are grounding the strong energies and hold a safe space for everyone around us. So in this video, I invite you to a short grounding meditation to strengthen your core. You don't have to find a quiet place to sit down and meditate. Yeah, maybe it helps in the beginning, but instead use it as an energy tool that you practice in the midst of your everyday life, even when or especially when it becomes tumultuous. Let's start with a few deep breaths. Deep inhale and gentle exhale. Closing your eyes helps you to focus inward, sensing your body, feeling the flow of the air through your nose, into your lungs, and expanding deep down into your belly. Feel your feet solid on the ground and go deeper, connecting to the energy center below your feet, and even further connecting to the crystal core of the earth. Breathing deeply in and out. Now focus on the crown center at the top of your head. Imagine and feel your crown center opening. Connect to the energy center above your head. It's like a golden sun, connected to the central sun and beyond. Connected to the limitlessness of the universe. Feel how you are part of the unified field, one with infinite love. Feel the universal energies of love and light flowing to you and through you, filling you up. You are love. You are the lightning rod that is grounding these high vibrational energies. Breathing deeply in and out. Feel your core, the central energy column running from the top of your head, along your spine, down to your feet, becoming lighter and stronger, expanding. Breathing deeply in and out. And now focus on your heart center, feeling the love and the light in your heart, feeling your heart opening. And let your love and light flow abundantly out into the world, generously blessing everyone and everything, yourself included. Feeling loved and loving. Feeling balanced and balancing. Feeling grounded and grounding. Feeling blessed and blessing. Breathing deeply in and out. Thank you for being part of this. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. come back to this meditation at any time. The more you practice it, the easier it will become to shift into this high vibrational energy, no matter what's going on around you. It's my pleasure to support you on your journey of personal growth and creating a life that's truly fulfilling. So if you're new to my channel, please remember to hit the subscribe button and also ring the bell next to it to receive notifications on new uploads. This year I'm committed to helping you thrive. Sending you love.